Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming power and visible faults. This is critical. First, plug the till into a known good outlet and flip the switch. If nothing lights, test the fuse and battery with a multimeter. Replace a blown fuse immediately. If the drawer is stuck while electronics run, make sure to cut power before probing. You should note any error codes on the display. Write them down. Once done, move to access panels carefully so you don't bend connectors. You now open the till and inspect the components methodically. Start by removing the service panel screws in the same order to avoid damage. Keep screws grouped. Look for loose ribbon cables, corroded terminals, or cracked solder joints near the power supply and logic board. Use contact cleaner on switches and connectors. Let them dry. Then reseat each cable and perform continuity checks with your multimeter. Once all connections look solid, reattach the panel loosely and run a power-up test to observe behavior. You finish the repair by swapping faulty parts and verifying operation step by step. Replace blown fuses and defective switches, tighten terminal screws, or install a replacement connector. If the control board is damaged, swap with a known good board. After reassembly, perform function tests. Power cycle, open and close the drawer, and run a mock sale to confirm register coding and receipt printing. If problems persist, make sure to log error codes and try swapping one component at a time. If needed, contact the supplier with your findings.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.